Here at Justice Dental, we understand that life happens. A lot of things happen that cause appointments to be missed, canceled, or overall never made. It may be a family member, it may be death, it may be just something in life that causes you to just get off your schedule. We would like to talk with you about a very important part of your smile, and that's maintenance and also coming in for your regular checkups. A very easy way to look at this is a car, and we talk about this often. When you buy a new car, it's sparkly, it's nice. It may be kind of just like when your teeth first came in. They're very nice and they don't have any work done. But as you use your mouth, as you eat, as you function over time, as things change and you age, it's just like a car. It breaks down, it needs the oil changed, the tread on the tires becomes thin, and all those things need to be maintained or the car falls apart. It's very similar to your mouth. We would love to talk with you here about how to get on a maintenance, how to get on a protocol with us so that in the long term that car doesn't break down and we can maintain it and keep you a healthy, nice smile that lasts a long time.